Crush the sample thoroughly using a grinder and pass it through a 20 mesh sieve. Weigh 1 gram of the homogenized powder into a centrifuge tube. And add deionized water according to the detection limits shown in the table below. Shake for 5 minutes and centrifuge at 4000 R/min for 5 minutes at room temperature. If using a mini centrifuge, take 500 ml of the mixed liquid from the centrifuge tube and transfer it into a 1.5 ml centrifuge tube. Centrifuge at 4000 revolutions per minute for 5 minutes to obtain the supernatant. Tear the foil pouch, take out of the test card and put on a flat, clean work surface. Pipette the prepared sample solution with the provided dropper. Then add 3 drops vertically and slowly into the sample hole. Read the result at room temperature in 8 to 10 minutes. Results judgment.